All right, we're here. We're ready to go.
There is a little bit of wind, gusting from 30, 40 miles per hour. Just be mindful of it. Don't let it push you off the road. You wouldn't be the first motorcycle to do that. So, but let's not let that happen if we can avoid it.
Roger that.
Passing, no wheelies, no throwing each other off the cliff or anything like that. Have a good time.
Thank you.
I want you to make it all the way to the top, let's fly off the cliff. You're like, well, at least I climbed it!
Yeah. Wait, my sticker!
Finally here! This is what it's like when you're on top of a mountain and it is engulfed in the cloud. We're literally in the cloud right now. That's crazy. What does it feel like to be in a cloud?
Misty. Yeah, not exactly cloud nine. Damn, where you at?
Heading down, it feels
It's reminiscent of like when we were in the Rockies getting that altitude sickness. Even though it wasn't as high, but like
I'm feeling a little tummy ache.
when you go from
like vomity-ish.
a couple hundred feet all the way up to like 6,000 feet, it kind of gets you a little bit.
Yeah, so we're gonna head down. Oh look, the sun's
Creeping out.
trying to come out.
It's hiding again.
It's hiding again. We're here at Kancamagus Highway, New Hampshire, and we found like this little swimming spot. So we literally just saw it on the side of the road, and now we're like, yeah, we're gonna stop. So we found this river.
Lower Falls.
It's the Lower Falls. And we're enjoying it. It was hot early. It was like, it's 92. And now I'm cold. I'm extremely sad that we have to leave this place because it's so beautiful. Okay, we're finally here at the Ben & Jerry's. What are you getting, babe? Pretend that you like me. We're on video.
Huh? Hey guys, what's going on? We're in South Burlington, Vermont, and we're about to make our way over towards Cuyahoga Lake, New York. And this morning we have very enjoyable weather. We're looking at probably in the 80s. I know this afternoon there's going to be some thunder showers, so we're going to see how far we can get before we have to don our rain gear. We get more maple candies.
We're at the Dakin Farm here in Dakinville, Vermont.
On the Ethan Allen Highway here, about
On
to
the
head out of the
Ethan Allen
state.
Highway.
Crackers here too. Just to lavishly have maple syrup. Golden delicate taste.
Golden, it's a grade A.
The final one is
Oh, that's good. That is the dark, robust. Wow. The sweeter it gets, the more robust. We're now leaving.
a historic lighthouse at Lake Champlain here. We just crossed over from Vermont and we're now in New York. And so I'm here, so.
That's what the lighthouse looks like. It is 92 degrees and it is so hot. People out here loitering. The wind is officially picking up and we only have a few minutes before it actually starts raining, so. So guys, because of the weather, we ended up just spending the night here at New Hartford, New York. So we have ended our journey here at New Hartford, New York. Everybody's getting packed up and ready to go. If we keep going out west, it's not really good. The weather is not great. So we're gonna just head home for the day and call it a day after that. We had to turn back around before the last checkpoint because of the weather, but we're headed home safe and sound. Adventure isn't always about the summit. Thank you for joining our journey.
Thank you so much for watching the video to the very end. If you liked our content, please hit the like button, subscribe, and the bell for future notifications on videos.